Hello everybody, welcome to Vitalik's videos. Today I'm going to show you how to change the blower motor resistor on a 2002 Dodge Dakota pickup. Let me show you how I know that it's faulty. The fan does not blow any air on level 1, level 2, level 3, but it does on level 4. What that means is the resistor is being bypassed at level 4 because it doesn't need to be working. It resists the amount of power that goes into the blower motor, thereby reducing the fan speed. If it's not working correctly, you won't get any airflow on levels 1, level 2, and level 3, but you will get it on level 4. I'm hoping that makes sense. Of course, if I'm wrong, please do correct me, or maybe fine-tune the explanation so that others know. Record that in the comment section below. First, let's make sure that the problem does not stem from a burnt out blower motor fuse. Open up the fuse box in the engine compartment, and it's the fourth one down on the right side. Inspect it closely, ensure that everything is in working order, shake it, and put it back in its place, or get a new one if you need a new one. The resistor can be purchased for about $10 to $15 depending on your source. It's going to look different from the original one. Here's an example. To access the resistor, it's going to be on the passenger side under the dashboard. 2 screws hold it in place. You can unscrew them with a 5/16 inch socket. As you can see, I've done this before, but when you do this, go ahead and inspect your resistor for any obvious signs of wear. I didn't notice anything significant on my resistor, but I ended up replacing it anyways. Start by pulling this tab off to the side. Then you can pull out your resistor. Inspect your connector, and if you notice any signs of burning, you might need to replace that as well. Here's an example. Plug in your new resistor and pull the tab back into its place. Mine was being a little finicky, so I had to use a needle to work it into its position. Don't forget to cut these little tabs off the sides so the resistor will sit in place. And orient the red tab away from the passenger. Alright, get under your dash and reinstall your resistor. This part might be a little tricky because the screws tend to fall down. Tighten the screws, make sure the resistor is secure, then test everything out. I was getting airflow on levels 1, 2, 3, as well as 4, so I can confirm this has been fixed. If you found any of this information helpful, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. And I'll see you in the next one.